Welcome to Smart Job Consult, the channel that's all about educating, uplifting, upgrading, and inspiring you. Before we dive in, I want you to remember this powerful truth. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. Today's video is incredibly important. Everyone is talking about AI. Some people are scared of it, some are confused by it, but a select few are already using it to build incredible wealth. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rich using AI by breaking down 5 of the most practical, beginner-friendly AI business ideas you can start today, even with very little capital. This is not hype. This is a real opportunity. We're going to answer the big questions. What exactly is AI? Why is it changing the business world forever? How can beginners like you start using it? And most importantly, how can you turn AI into a steady stream of income? Make sure you stay until the very end, because just one of these ideas could completely change your financial future. So let's start with the basics. What is AI? The term stands for artificial intelligence. In simple terms, AI is technology that allows machines and software to think, learn, and perform tasks just like humans, but often much, much faster. Think about it. AI can write entire articles, design stunning graphics, analyze massive amounts of data, automate customer service, create engaging videos, and even predict future trends. But here's the key takeaway. AI is not here to replace humans. It's here to multiply human ability. The smartest people in the room are not trying to compete with AI. They are using AI as a powerful tool to get ahead. Now, why is AI such a massive wealth opportunity right now? Here's why it's so powerful for business. First, it has a very low startup cost. You don't need a huge investment to get started. Second, there's incredibly high demand for AI-related services across almost every industry. Third, AI businesses are scalable globally. You can work with clients from anywhere in the world. Fourth, it saves you an enormous amount of time and money by automating tasks. And finally, AI works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. AI is doing to business today what the internet did a couple of decades ago. Those who learned to use the internet early were the ones who benefited the most. The same thing is happening with AI. And the best part? You don't need to be a programmer or a tech genius. You just need to have a basic understanding and a clear strategy. All right, let's get into the good stuff. AI business idea. Number 1, the AI content creation agency. So what is it? It's a business where you use AI tools to create high-quality content for other businesses. We're talking about blog posts, social media updates, YouTube scripts, marketing emails, and even ad copy. Why is this so powerful? Because every single business out there needs content, and they need it daily. Most business owners simply don't have the time or the skills to create it themselves. So how do you start? First, you learn a few basic AI writing tools like ChatGPT or other popular AI writers. Second, you choose a specific niche to focus on, like real estate agents, life coaches, or local small businesses. This helps you become an expert. Third, you create simple content packages. For example, 10 social media posts and 1 blog article per week. And fourth, you deliver that content fast and consistently. How do you make money? You charge monthly retainers. Your clients pay you a recurring fee for consistent, high-quality content. The beauty of this model is that AI does most of the heavy lifting. You just manage the service and the client relationship. Next up, AI business idea number 2, AI video and shorts creation. What is this? It's a service where you use AI tools to create short-form and long-form videos like YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, and explainer videos for businesses. Why does this work so well? Because video absolutely dominates our attention online. Most businesses know they need video, but they have no idea how to produce it efficiently or affordably. Here's how you can start. First, learn how to use some of the new AI video generation tools. There are many out there that can turn text into video. Second, create a few sample videos to build a portfolio. Third, start reaching out to influencers, brands, and coaches who need more video content. And fourth, offer them affordable video packages. The income potential here is huge. You can charge per video fees or set up monthly subscriptions for ongoing content. The best part? You don't need an expensive camera or a fancy studio. The AI can handle the visuals, the voiceovers, and even the editing. Let's move on to AI business idea number 3, AI customer support and chatbot setup. What is it? This is where you help businesses automate their customer support by setting up and managing AI-powered chatbots on their websites. Why is this so profitable? Because businesses lose a ton of money and time answering the same repetitive questions over and over again. An AI chatbot solves this problem. It works 24/7, reduces the need for a large support staff, and dramatically improves customer satisfaction by providing instant answers. How do you get started? First, learn 1 or 2 of the popular chatbot platforms. Many are designed to be user-friendly. Second, target businesses that get a lot of customer inquiries like online stores or service-based companies. Third, you work with them to customize the chatbot's responses to fit their specific needs. And finally, you charge a one-time setup fee plus a smaller monthly maintenance fee. Businesses are more than willing to pay for this kind of efficiency. Now for AI business idea number 4, creating and selling AI-powered online courses and digital products. What does this involve? It means using AI to help you create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, training manuals, and guides. Why is this model so powerful? Because you create the product once, and you can sell it an unlimited number of times. It's the ultimate passive income stream. Here's how to start. First, choose a topic that you understand well or are passionate about. It could be anything from fitness to marketing. Second, use AI tools to help you structure the content, outline the modules, and even write the first draft. Third, you add your own unique experience, stories, and voice to make it authentic. And finally, you sell your product on platforms like Gumroad or directly through your social media. The AI massively speeds up the creation process, but it's your personal touch that brings credibility and value. And finally, AI business idea number 5, AI consulting and training for businesses. What is this? This is where you position yourself as an expert and teach other businesses how to effectively use AI in their day-to-day operations. Why does this pay so well? Because so many business owners are hearing about AI, but they're overwhelmed and afraid of it. They need a guide to show them the way. How do you start this business? First, you focus on learning practical, real-world use cases for AI in different industries. Second, you build simple, easy-to-understand presentations that explain these concepts. Third, you start offering free or paid training sessions and workshops to local businesses or online communities. And fourth, you charge a premium fee per workshop or for one-on-one consultation. In this business, your knowledge combined with AI's power makes you an instant authority. So you've heard the ideas. But if you're a complete beginner, how should you actually start? It's simple. First, commit to learning. Watch videos, read articles, and just immerse yourself in the world of AI. Second, practice daily. Don't just consume content. Open up an AI tool and start playing with it. Third, choose just one of the business ideas we discussed today. Don't try to do everything at once. Fourth, start small. Offer your service to a friend or a local business for a low price just to get experience and a testimonial. And finally, improve as you go. You don't need to be perfect to start. The world of AI rewards action, not perfection. Let's be clear, AI will not make you rich automatically just by wishing for it. But using AI intelligently, strategically, and consistently absolutely can. The future belongs to those who are learners, adapters, and problem solvers. So don't fear AI. Learn to leverage it. If this video opened your eyes to the possibilities of AI, do me a favor. Like this video and comment below telling me which AI business idea you're choosing to explore. And of course, subscribe to Smart Job Consult for more content on entrepreneurship, AI, and future-ready business strategies. Remember this, the future is not coming, it's already here. The only question is, will you be a part of it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.